You can look polished in casual basics, jeans, tees, and sweaters, without seeming like you tried. It's not luck, it's a simple system. Right fabrics, clean lines, and a few must-do details. I'll walk you through the exact pieces and pairings for sophisticated casual, perfect for busy days, errands, and last-minute plans. You'll see what to buy, how to style it, and the subtle tweaks that make outfits feel intentional. If effortless elegance is your goal, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, and let's begin. Non-negotiable number 1, the white button-down. Choose breathable cotton or a cotton blend with a collar that stands, smooth buttons, and fabric substantial enough to stay crisp. Fit check, shoulder seams at the edge of your shoulders, sleeves skimming, not squeezing, the arms, and a length that allows a clean tuck without bunching. Style 3 ways: a full tuck with a leather belt for polish, a relaxed front half tuck, or loose over slim trousers for balanced ease. Roll sleeves neatly, 2 broad folds above the wrist, so it looks deliberate, never messy. Outfit ideas: dark denim, loafers, and a structured bag for day. Or tailored trousers, ballet flats, and simple jewelry for lunch or casual meetings. Care tip: wash cold, skip heavy starch, and steam the collar and placket for a crisp finish. One excellent white shirt beats a closet of almost right options. Your fail-safe knit? The cashmere crewneck, timeless, soft, and quietly refined. Pick navy, camel, or gray, versatile shades that pair with almost everything all year. Style tip: do a gentle front half tuck. Let the knit fall softly at the sides so it drapes. Never bulky, never boxy. With straight-leg denim and loafers, it reads polished without effort. Swap in tailored trousers and pointed flats and you're instantly lunch ready. Layer a crisp button-down underneath. Let the collar and cuffs peek out for subtle structure. Invest well. Thin cashmere pills and sags quickly. Look to Nadam, Quince, or Jenny Kane. One great sweater on repeat beats a stack of almost there substitutes. Begin with the anchor. Dark denim. Choose a straight leg or slight boot cut in a deep, uniform wash. Skip whiskers, rips, or heavy fading. Clean, inky denim reads almost like trousers. That's why it works for nicer casual restaurants, weekend plans, and any moment you want to look put together without going formal. Fit checklist: mid-rise at your natural waist, a leg that skims, not squeezes, and a hem that just grazes your shoe. Reliable picks include Citizens of Humanity, Page, and AG. One perfect pair will outwork the rest of your denim drawer. The quiet upgrade: relaxed, tailored trousers in a neutral. Think wool blend in charcoal, camel, or cream. Easy through the leg, crisp through the line. Swap them for jeans when you want extra polish. Tuck a tee and add clean white sneakers. Casual but elevated, or go sharper. A silk blouse with loafers. Effortless, versatile, ready for almost anything. Look for soft pleats or a paper bag waist. Subtle interest without fuss, with a clean, relaxed drape. Vince, J. Crew, and Everlane deliver consistent, dependable fits. Choose fabric with weight and flow, the kind that hangs smoothly. Too stiff or too thin, and you lose the effect. Shoes make or break casual style. First, spotless white leather sneakers, not scuffed. Common projects, Veja, or Adidas Stan Smiths all work if you maintain them. Second, leather loafers in brown or black. They instantly make denim look deliberate. Try Gucci Brixton or Sam Edelman and Nisolo for smart value. Third, simple leather ankle boots, black or brown. A 3-season workhorse with jeans, trousers, and dresses. Rule of thumb: if your shoes look tired, dirty, or cheap, the whole outfit reads careless. If this helped, tap like, and tell me which pair you're choosing first. I read every comment. Your daily finisher, a structured leather tote or sleek crossbody in a neutral, black, brown, or cognac. Skip flashy logos and fiddly shapes. Aim for balanced proportions, minimal hardware, and clean seams that look refined from every angle. Prioritize rich grain and smooth construction. Good leather gains a graceful patina. It ages beautifully, never looks tired. Cuyana, Madewell, and Strathberry offer lovely options at different budgets. The right bag moves from tee and jeans to trousers and a blazer. Commute, cafe, errands, dinner. One excellent bag removes decision fatigue and sharpens every casual look. A never-fail outfit formula. Dark jeans, crisp white tee, camel blazer, loafers, simple gold jewelry, and a leather bag. It works for errands, lunch, travel, casual dinners, nearly everything. The blazer does the work. Choose unstructured or slightly relaxed so it feels easy, not corporate. Brands like A9 Bing, Veronica Beard, and even H&M's premium line deliver blazers for this look. The tee should be quality cotton with a flattering neckline, not a flimsy undershirt. Jeans stay dark and clean. This is sophisticated casual, perfected. Another formula: cream cashmere, camel trousers, brown loafers, tortoise sunglasses, and a leather tote. All neutrals, all quality, all cohesive, creating an elegant, expensive look. It's the monochrome neutral approach used constantly by the stylish and wealthy. Once you own the pieces, dressing requires zero thought because everything coordinates automatically. Add a silk scarf or gold jewelry for variety, but keep the base formula consistent. A layering move that transforms outfits. A thin cashmere or merino crew neck over a button-down, with the collar and cuffs showing. It reads far more sophisticated than the sweater alone. The collar frames your face, cuffs add detail at the wrist, and the look feels polished and intentional. Ensure the shirt fits close so it doesn't add bulk beneath the knit. White, light blue, or subtle stripes pair best with solid sweaters. This combination suits countless settings and always looks refined. Color matters. Sophisticated casual lives in a focused palette. Navy, camel, cream, gray, white, black, and sometimes burgundy or forest green. These shades mix seamlessly, photograph beautifully, and never feel try-hard. Build within this palette, and every piece becomes interchangeable. A navy sweater works with camel trousers, cream denim, or gray pants. Camel complements white, black, navy, and more camel. Limiting colors actually frees you. Matching stops being a worry. Grooming elevates casual style. Hair should look intentional, even if simple. Try a sleek low bun, polished ponytail, or defined natural texture. Each complements casual clothes. Hair that looks slept in or greasy undermines everything. Add minimal makeup for polish, groomed brows, concealer, and a touch of mascara. You're not fully made up, just well cared for. That distinction counts. Finish with intent, a quality watch, simple gold or silver pieces you wear daily, and clean nails, even bare. These aren't extras. They make casual look sophisticated, not sloppy. Think a fine gold necklace, small hoops, and a few stacked rings. Or choose a silver watch, silver hoops, and a delicate bracelet. Pick a metal and stay consistent. These pieces become your signature and pair with every casual outfit. Sophisticated casual is about the right pieces and knowing the combinations. Build slowly, prioritizing quality over quantity, one thoughtful addition at a time. If this helped, share it with a friend. Subscribe for weekly tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.